package of vinyl stickers that I've just received, and there's 25 sheets in here. They are 8.5 by 11, and to show you what they look like, I have one out of the package here. So this is for inkjet, and it's not recommended for using on the soft surfaces, but here is the surface. These seem to be rather glossy, not terribly glossy, and then you can tell that the back says digital label on the back, so you know which way to put it in your printer and the quality of how it is going to work. These are the stickers that I printed out on my sticker paper, and I just wanted to go in and show you. Now these are all hand cut out, and I just wanted to show you how they work. And so the sticker, the backing is the thicker part, and the label itself is very much lightweight and very sticky. And so this is the design that I made and did on my sticker paper, and now I printed them out on an inkjet printer. And just to show you that what I have here in front of me are two that I didn't cut out, but just to show you, you can see here that the ink, it's been dry for a few days, but it's not smearing. And if I scratch my nail over the top, you can see that the ink isn't coming off. I wanted to show you with water. If I spritz it with water, I wasn't able to get the color to move on the sticker either, which is very nice. The only thing that I did find was that once I sprayed it with water, if I scratched the surface, the ink did move on me, but as you can see here, it's taking a little bit before I can even get that. There we go. I can even get that color to move off. But when it was dry, it didn't scratch. And so I think that they're going to hold up really well for you.